gram staining procedure. I'll be demonstrating how we go about doing a gram stain. Firstly, the equipment that we need: glass slide, normal saline, nichrome wire loop, bacteria, flame, stain bag, and tap water. First thing to do is to label a glass slide with a pencil. The frosted side up. Heat the nichrome wire loop until it becomes red. Cool a bit. Take one dipful of normal saline onto this slide. Hit the wire loop again. Pull a bit. You can touch the media side as well to pull. Take up a colony of bacteria you want to identify and make a smear in a circular motion. Hit the wire loop again and leave your slide to air dry. Once it's air dry, then it is heat fixed over the flame. Then staining. First, crystal violet for 1 minute. Once it's 1 minute, decant this crystal violet, wash in a running tap water, tap, release excess water, then flood the slide again with iodine solution for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you decant the solution, wash with tap water, tap again to drain of excess water. Then with 40% acetone in alcohol, tilting the slide, you'll gently wash until all purple color goes off. This is for 5 seconds. Wash the slide again and then counter stain with saffarine for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, decant the slide, wash with water and leave it to air dry, or even you can blot dry. Once staining has been done, usually a gram positive slide would look positive, would look purple, while a gram negative would look more of pinkish. Thank you.